Good day all, welcome to Showroom Reptile. Today we're going to do a comparison between two snakes, two awesome green snakes of South Africa. Especially on the south coast, it's one of the most common green snakes that you will find inside your house. The first one is your Western Natal green, the second one is the spotted bush snake. But I'll have both of them in my hands at the same time. So wish me luck. And the cage that I need to take them out of has got a night adder. A very feisty female night adder, and she is upset today. So let me see if I can get them out without the incident. Just hang on a second. Watch here. Well, I got the first one out. It's the spotted bush snake. If you people can have a close look there. They are non-venomous snakes. The shape of the head, the slenderness of the body. The most easiest way to identify the snakes is the black spots on its skin. If you look closely to the head shape is very small, sharp, and the eyes are black with like a orange ring on it. Belly yellow to white color, sometimes blush. Non-aggressive snakes, very good climbers. Diet is based on geckos and frogs. Yeah, just awesome green snakes. Everybody, even the American people, they're all about the green mamba and green mamba. You know what? There's a lot of snakes in South Africa that's just as cool as the green mamba, although they're not venomous. Very good, cool snakes. Spotted bush snake. Now let me see if I can grab hold of this Natal green. He's a bit jittery. And let me see if I can get hold of him. I know there's two in here. Let me see if I can get this big one. Alright, come boy. Hey! Hey! Fuck you! Bastard! Now, for some reason, this Western Natal green didn't like me much. He just nipped me twice. Now if you guys can have a look closely, on the head, it's got a sharp, broad head. The color is like a green. Sometimes at the bottom of the tail, it's got like a bluish color. Yeah. Also very good snakes. Very awesome snakes to have. Diet based on frogs, geckos. Also non-venomous. If you look carefully at the flickering of the tongue has got like a black with a bluish color in it. Very awesome snakes. Very awesome snakes. I don't know why this one is so aggressive today. Normally he's not this aggressive. Yeah, strange enough, he bit himself, he bit me, and he bit the spotted bush snake, which I can hold now both comparison. If you look closely, side by side, there is a significant difference between the two snakes. Very awesome snakes, both of them, colubrids, non-venomous, and diets based on geckos and frogs. Now let me put this feisty oakie back. First the spotted bush snake, and then the Western Natal green. Let me just show you guys. He's almost a fully sized Western Natal green. Very good snakes, very beautiful. It's just for some reason this oakie was in a feisty, biting mood today. Yeah, this difference on the scales, where the bush snake has got like a roughish feel to the scales, the spotted bush, the Natal green, has got a smooth finish to the scales. Yeah, just excuse, I've been charred again by a snake, and yeah, awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed. kids out there, please don't have free handle snakes. They are sometimes venomous. If you see people like us, don't try what we do. It can get risky and can cause you health issues. So enjoy your day. Please don't forget, like, share, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Enjoy your day.